Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am planning out the week. I'm actually decorating my planner for the week, and I'm going to use the new Rongrong Creepy Hollow sticker book to decorate this spread. I'm doing all Halloween spreads and for October. So this was last week's spread. I did a Nightmare Before Christmas theme. I love how this turned out. I was kind of iffy on it at first because of the florals, but it actually looks really good. So I'm going to turn the page to a new week, and this one's going to be this Creepy Hollow theme. There's some like really like fun haunted houses, and I can make like little scenes. I love the little picture frame stickers in here, like these. I think those are fun. I can do little clusters of those. So yeah, that's kind of the idea for this spread. I might add in one girl. I'm always like very minimal on the girls, but I love the creepy stuff in here, so I want to use this book. And I think it's still available. I have a an affiliate link with a discount code attached to it, I think. So definitely check it out. Okay, so like I said, I want to do like creepy vibes here. Let's see, I want to do a house. Just looking at what I have. I think I should start with a cluster of the picture frames. I really like this one because I like to have a double box on the weekend, and I feel like this will be good. Like, it's a good arrangement of frames that I can write in, because this is like a functional decorative kind of sticker. So I'm just gonna stick this here for the weekend. I have a busy weekend so definitely need some spots on the weekend. And then I'm gonna put a house. Let's see, I think this one would be good if I just kind of stick it here. I do want to get some kind of washi though down. Okay, I have all of my like black and white washi here. Which one do I want to go with? This one is like spider webs. Maybe I'll do this. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, let me find the end. Can never find the end. I don't think I've used this one. Okay, I think I found it. Oh my goodness, I cannot do this. Okay, I need to get some washi. Or, not some washi. Tweezers. Okay, I cannot find the end on this thing. I think this is the end. Ah, yeah, it is. Let's see if this one even looks good. Maybe not. Okay, scratch that idea. Maybe I could do like little bows. I have this one. This is from Simply Gilded. I don't know, I kind of like the little bows. Okay, I'm gonna do little bows, and I might do another washi, but I think little bows on the bottom would be good. Get a little washi card to cut this off. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some on the top over here. Okay, we'll go with that. And then I'm gonna stick down the haunted house in the corner right here, being all creepy like. It is a creepy looking house. Okay, there's the house, and I do want to put some other things with it. Okay, I have this little dead inside gravestone. We'll put that there. And let's see what other creepy things. I got a creepy tree. Let's do a tree. Do a little scene down here. And I don't know if I should add a fence. Oh, there's these fences. Okay, maybe I'll do this fence. that looks cool. I like that. I might add a bat or something in there, but I want to get a couple more functional stickers down before I start filling it up with all the fun decorative stickers. Okay, functional tends to be over here. All right, so we got some more boxes. Let's do this little black one. Here. Okay. And I just want like a regular box. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. But I feel like I need something with it. So, ooh, there's these like little bullet points. They look like thumbtacks, which is nice. Oops. I'm gonna just add a couple of these around this spread. Okay. I think I'm just gonna put a bat with this. I feel like it needs something, so we'll just stick a bat there. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Okay, onto this side. Looks good. All right, so on this side, let's see. I don't want to do another like full house, so maybe I think I saw like maybe like this one with the girl, because I was gonna add one girl at least. Ooh, that's kind of creepy. Reminds me of the Haunted Mansion. Actually, that one's kind of cool. Okay, let's do I want to do the frames or do my own frame? You know what, let me put a sidebar first. Okay, so I got this for the sidebar. Nice sidebar sticker over here. Oh, and then I gotta stick washi down too. Okay, let me stick the washi down. I always enjoy making these Halloween spreads. Now that I got lots of options for Halloween stickers. Before in the past it was hard to do like a whole month's worth, but lots of shops coming out with great Halloween stickers and seasonal stickers, so those are my favorite. Okay, there's the washi. I need something, oh, I still have washi on me. I need something up here. Maybe a quote. Or I could put, it's supposed to be like Wednesday. I could put her. Ooh, that's cool too. What to put? Ooh, a clock. Okay, let's see. I have one of these. I don't think this will fit though on the sidebar, so maybe a clock is a good idea. Okay, I have a couple of clock options. I think I like this one. And then maybe I could stick like a bat. I feel like I need, oh, you know what? Okay. I can do a candle. This one next to it. Okay, I think that works. Okay, and then I wanted to do, let's see, should I make my own cluster? I think I do want to make my own cluster because then I can add a quote to it. Okay, so what do I want to do? Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. They're the same. Okay, I'll grab this one. Put this down here. Little frame here. Okay, I'm like lightly putting them down just in case I need to move them for whatever reason. Okay, I wanted to put, I think I'm gonna put the Wednesday one. She doesn't really fit that well though. Unless I do, okay, let me rearrange this a little bit just so I can get, yeah. Okay, we'll do it this way. Oop, that's kind of crooked. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I'll layer this here. And put this here because it reminds me of Haunted Mansion, so I just went on that ride a couple weeks ago. I like that one. They just, but it doesn't, it's like Nightmare Before Christmas theme right now, so it looks a little different, but still fun. Still a good ride. Okay, put that there. And then, what else? Oh, I have some like spider webs. Let's see how this looks over here. Oops. I'm just gonna stick it here in the corner. I wanted to add a quote, but I think these aren't gonna fit. Not the way that I'm wanting it to fit, you know? So, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add in bullet points. I just wanna see if there's a couple other decorative elements I can add. Oh, a little kitty. Let's do a kitty cat. That's cute. We'll just stick him here. And then I got a little crow. We can stick him. I don't like that it's touching the box. Okay, I'm gonna move this one over here. Try to put it straight. And stick the crow there. And kitty cat needs to move over. Actually, I want to cut the white off underneath the cat. Okay. Let's see what else I can add. Maybe I want to do like another fence. Maybe, oh, here's some different bats. I'll do another bat. Okay. Let's see. These are creepy flowers. Those are cool. I think I want to do, I thought I saw another like grave stone. Oh, there it is. Let's see how this looks. I don't think it's gonna layer right now. It doesn't, because these stickers are a little opaque, which is nice, but it's not. No, actually, I take that back. If I push down, it doesn't look too bad. Okay. Here's a spider web. Let's just layer this spider web over here. And okay, I need the bullet points right here. And a couple here. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see if there's anything else. I'm gonna do another bat. Oh, there's another little gravestone. I don't want to stick this under just so it's not just the only one here, but I don't think I'll be able to remove this sticker because I really pushed down on it hard. And yeah, it's not going to come. That's okay. That would have been a good idea, but I didn't notice this at first, so that's okay. What about those weird flowers, those creepy flowers? These are kind of big though. I wonder if there's smaller ones. There's these. Okay, I'm gonna put these because they look cool. I'll just put them here growing next to the little grave. We'll just put that one. Oops. Let's stick some over here. I'll cut this down a little lower so it's different. Okay, I think that's pretty creepy. I'm happy with that. Checks the Halloween box, that's good. All right, so that's gonna be my spread for the week using the Creepy Hollow sticker book from Rongrong. If you're interested in purchasing this, it is still available. And I have my affiliate link down in the description. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed as I created this spread. But yeah, thank you. And if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.